Welcome to my channel, Official History of Coins in a world where history hides in plain sight. Sometimes the most powerful stories are not written in books, but engraved in metal. Today, we're unlocking one of those stories, a story of honor, rarity, and American pride. First up, we explore the incredible 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin, minted with the D Mintmark at the Denver Mint. This coin stands as a symbol of both American progress and numismatic prestige. Though it may look like just one coin, there are many unique varieties and mint conditions that make some of them extremely valuable today. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was first introduced in 1979, marking a new era for the U.S. $1 coin. It was the first time in U.S. history that a real woman, not a symbolic figure, appeared on circulating American coinage. That woman was Susan B. Anthony, a fearless leader who fought tirelessly for women's rights and equality. The coin replaced the larger Eisenhower dollar, as the government wanted something smaller, lighter, and easier to carry. The Denver Mint, represented by the letter D, struck millions of these coins, but not all were created equal. Certain varieties, pristine conditions, and mint errors have since made some of them incredibly rare and highly collectible. The obverse of the coin proudly displays Susan B. Anthony's portrait, surrounded by 13 stars, symbolizing the original colonies of the United States. The reverse features the powerful image of an eagle landing on the moon, inspired by the Apollo 11 mission, a true celebration of American achievement. This coin wasn't just money. It was a message. It told the world that women's contributions to America's history deserved recognition and honor on the very currency people use daily. Now, what makes this 1979 D1 coin so valuable today? The answer lies in a mix of rarity, quality, and story. Collectors crave coins that are perfectly preserved, especially those with unique minting characteristics. Coins struck with deep clarity, strong details, and flawless surfaces are the ones that rise to the top of the value chart. Some 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollars have been graded MS-67 or higher, and these high-grade coins have sold for thousands of dollars at auctions. The highest quality examples are sought after globally by passionate collectors. In rare cases, certain die varieties, where the coin design was slightly altered or misaligned during minting, can increase the value dramatically. A sharp strike, perfect luster, and strong definition can push prices higher and higher. Even though millions were made, only a few remain in mint condition today. Many were circulated and worn down, but those preserved in original state or sealed since 1979 can fetch incredible prices in the collector's market. The 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar also carries emotional and cultural value. It represents one of America's most significant historical shifts, the acknowledgement of equality, strength, and women's empowerment. That sentiment makes it even more desirable to passionate historians and collectors. If you have one of these coins, treat it with care. Keep it in a protective holder, avoid handling it with bare hands, and make sure it remains free from scratches or dirt. The better its condition, the higher its potential selling price. On today's coin market, the maximum value for the most pristine 1979 D Susan B. Anthony $1 can reach over $4,000, depending on grade, demand, and specific die variations. Some rare specimens have even exceeded that mark when sold to specialized collectors or at high-profile auctions. Collectors from around the world keep an eye out for this coin, especially those that shine with perfect brilliance and a strong strike. It's not just about money. It's about owning a piece of American legacy. Finding one of these coins feels like uncovering a hidden chapter of history. Every detail, every shine, and every mark tells a story that connects past generations to the present. So if you have a 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar, hold on to it. It's more than just a dollar. It's a piece of history, a treasure of progress, and a token of honor. Whether you choose to keep it as a cherished collectible or decide to sell it for its maximum market value, remember that its worth is not only measured in dollars, but in the legacy it represents. And as you look at that shining coin, know that you are holding a symbol of change, strength, and rare American history. A coin that continues to inspire, amaze, and grow in value with every passing year. Next coin, the USA 2000 Sacagawea $1 coin with the P Mintmark is one of the most fascinating and powerful coins in American numismatic history. It represents not just value in money but pride, culture, and innovation. Minted at the Philadelphia Mint, the P mark stands as a symbol of excellence and precision, and many collectors across the world are continuously searching for this remarkable coin. This stunning coin was first introduced in the year 2000 as part of a major redesign of the US dollar coin. The goal was to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar with something more distinctive, beautiful, and easier to recognize. The U.S. Mint wanted to create a design that celebrated Native American heritage and honored an important historical figure. And that's how Sacagawea was chosen. Sacagawea was a Shoshone woman who played an extraordinary role as a guide and interpreter during the Lewis and Clark expedition in the early 1800s. Her courage, wisdom, and leadership made her a symbol of bravery and guidance. Featuring her on the coin was a way to honor her invaluable contribution to America's journey of exploration. The obverse of the coin shows a gentle yet powerful portrait of Sacagawea carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste. It's a design full of emotion, symbolizing strength, motherhood, and wisdom. The reverse side of the coin displays a bold American eagle in flight, representing freedom and hope. Both sides together tell a story of courage and the nation's spirit. When this coin was released in 2000, it immediately drew attention from collectors and the general public alike. The golden color of the coin made it stand out from previous designs, though it was not made of real gold. The composition included manganese brass, which gave it a rich golden tone and made it durable for circulation. The Philadelphia Mint struck millions of these coins, but only a few have reached premium collector value due to their flawless condition, special varieties, or unique errors. Some of these rare 2000 Sacagawea coins are worth far more than their face value because of their quality and rarity. Many collectors want to own this coin today, both in the United States and internationally. People love its history, its meaning, and the inspiration behind it. It's not just a dollar. It's a reminder of America's deep respect for the people who shaped its story. In the numismatic market, coins in perfect mint condition, often graded MS-68 or higher, have achieved amazing prices. Collectors are constantly looking for coins with sharp details, glowing luster, and absolutely no marks. Those are the pieces that command the highest attention and the highest value. Some versions of the 2000 Sacagawea coin have unique variations that make them incredibly valuable. For example, certain coins were struck with experimental finishes, and some coins from this year show subtle dye changes that increase collector demand. The most famous variety is the 2000 Cheerios dollar. These were given out in Cheerios cereal boxes as a promotional item when the coin was first launched. The Cheerios dollars are extremely valuable today because they have a unique tail feather design on the eagle that differs from the regular issue. Only a few of those Cheerios dollars exist in high-grade condition, and some have sold for more than $10,000, depending on their preservation and certification. That's what makes this coin one of the most sought-after treasures in modern U.S. coinage. Even the regular 2000 Sacagawea dollars in exceptional condition can bring hundreds or thousands of dollars depending on grading and demand. The better the condition, the greater the reward. The popularity of this coin has not faded with time. Many people who collected it in 2000 still hold onto it today, knowing that its value can grow. Each year, the market for Sacagawea dollars continues to strengthen, especially for rare and flawless pieces. The 2000 Sacagawea dollar is not just a collectible item. It's a story of leadership and recognition. It was built to celebrate American exploration, unity, and diversity, a coin that bridges the past with the present. Its value is considered high among collectors because of its unique place in history and design. The maximum value recorded for certain rare and certified examples has reached over $12,000. 4 high-quality regular issues, Prices between $500 to $3,000 are also possible, depending on condition and rarity. With such growing interest, thousands of collectors across the world are actively searching for the 2000 Sacagawea $1 coin. Online marketplaces, coin shows, and auctions often see fierce competition for the finest examples. Owning one of these coins is like holding a symbol of heritage and pride in your hands. It represents not only money, but meaning, a golden link between America's past and its vision for the future. If you have one of these coins, it's wise to store it carefully, protect it in a sealed holder, and avoid any damage or fingerprints. The more perfect it remains, the higher its potential selling price in the market. Collectors are always motivated by passion and history, and the 2000 Sacagawea coin delivers both. Its shimmering beauty, historical significance, and rising demand make it a true highlight for any coin enthusiast. In every sense, this coin continues to shine, not only for its value in dollars, but for its story of strength, leadership, and inspiration. The 2000 Sacagawea $1 remains a golden treasure that connects the heart of America with the spirit of discovery. And for those who own it, it's a legacy worth cherishing forever. Next, the USA 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin with the Mintmark is one of the most admired and collectible coins in modern American history. Minted at the Philadelphia Mint, this coin carries deep symbolism, cultural respect, and immense collector value. It continues the powerful story of the Golden Dollar series that began in 2000, celebrating the spirit of exploration and the courage of Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who became a guiding light during the Lewis and Clark expedition. This coin was created as part of a series to honor Native American heritage and recognize the vital role of Sacagawea in American history. Her leadership and intelligence helped open the way for one of the greatest journeys of discovery in the United States, and her name has since become a symbol of bravery and unity. The 2001 issue of the Sacagawea Dollar was produced mainly for collectors. Although millions were minted, only a limited number were released for general circulation, which makes uncirculated or high-grade examples far more valuable today. The Mintmark identifies coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which produced some of the finest quality pieces in the series. The obverse of the coin features Sacagawea carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste, with a calm and powerful expression. It is a design that captures strength and maternal care at the same time. The reverse side shows an eagle soaring high, representing freedom, hope, and the spirit of the nation. The design remains timeless and admired by both collectors and historians. The 2001 Sacagawea Dollar is especially treasured by collectors because it continued the early years of this beautiful coin series, and coins from the early 2000s often hold more historical and emotional value. The golden hue, produced by a unique blend of copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel, gives it a distinctive look that stands apart from any other American coin. Many collectors around the world are actively searching for the 2001 Sacagawea Dollar, particularly in mint or proof condition. Proof coins were made specifically for collectors with mirror-like surfaces and sharp details, and they can reach very high prices when kept in perfect condition. The history of this coin also connects to the changing times of the early 21st century. The United States Mint wanted to revive public interest in the $1 coin by making it attractive, meaningful, and durable. The result was the Sacagawea series, which succeeded in creating one of the most elegant modern coin designs in U.S. history. People often wonder where they can buy or sell this coin. The best places include reputable online marketplaces, coin auctions, and certified numismatic dealers. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections frequently feature these coins, and rare examples in perfect grades are known to attract intense bidding wars. If you own a 2001 Sacagawea $1, it is definitely a coin worth keeping. Its value depends heavily on its condition. Coins graded MS-68 or higher can command impressive prices, and those with proof finishes or rare varieties can reach even higher levels. The maximum value recorded for certain high-quality 2001 P Sacagawea Dollars has reached over $5,000, depending on grading, rarity, and collector demand. The highest quality proof versions, still sealed in their original packaging, can also attract serious attention from top collectors. There are thousands of people across the United States and worldwide who want to buy this coin, especially those who collect complete Sacagawea sets. Many collectors are motivated by the story behind it and the historical figure it represents. Its strong collector base and limited circulation status mean its value will likely continue to rise over time. For anyone who owns one, this coin is more than a dollar. It's a piece of American legacy that grows more significant every year. If you want to keep this coin in its best possible condition, it's highly recommended to store it in a protective holder or coin capsule. Avoid touching it with your bare hands, as fingerprints or scratches can reduce its grade and therefore its value. Sealing the coin ensures that its surface remains flawless and its luster untarnished, which helps you achieve the maximum price when selling it in the future. Every collector knows that the difference between an average coin and a pristine one can mean hundreds or even thousands of dollars in value. Beyond the numbers, the 2001 P Sacagawea Dollar carries emotional value. It stands for exploration, motherhood, strength, and unity. Each coin is a small tribute to the spirit of discovery that shaped America's history. For those who invest in rare coins, this piece serves as both a collectible and a financial opportunity. The combination of low circulation, cultural importance, and historical design makes it a must-have for any serious collector. The demand for early Sacagawea dollars, especially from the year 2001, remains strong. Collectors appreciate the early issues because they symbolize the original years of the golden dollar era, before later design changes took place in the Native American dollar program. Owning a 2001 P Sacagawea dollar in mint or proof condition is like holding a golden piece of American spirit. It's a coin that tells a story of courage, unity, and resilience while carrying a beautiful shine that never fades. So, if you have this coin, keep it safe, seal it, and treasure it. It can be your gateway into the fascinating world of rare coin collecting, where each piece tells a tale of history and each detail carries the potential for great value. This coin is not just a collectible. It is a timeless reminder of how far America has come, guided by people like Sacagawea, whose spirit continues to inspire generations. The 2001 P Sacagawea $1 coin remains a valuable masterpiece, a coin that connects history, beauty, and wealth in one shining piece of gold-toned brilliance.